What's up, YouTubers? Here to share some information with you on my diagnostics on this Subaru. So it came to me after some other people worked on it. They weren't, I guess, doing what I was. So here we go. Long story short, I had a P0304 misfire on cylinder 4. Scanned the car, codes came up, hard fault, cleared it, came back, checked the spark plugs, checked the ignition coil, and stay to the end to see what it was. So make sure to listen to all the parts if you're having some trouble. This works for Subaru Outbacks, Legacies, Imprezas, so it's not just limited to the Outback. Stay tuned. I'll show you something, guys, when you're working on these Subarus, these older, I believe these are Outbacks. So what you want to do is when you have a misfire and you can't diagnose, so you've done the spark plugs, you've done everything, you want to get yourself these connectors and take a good look at them, unhook them, and with age, with time, as you can see, this is the actual coil. If you can't diagnose the misfire and you've tried everything, the coil, the plug, scanning, make sure that these wires are good condition in this connector. I ended up getting them on Amazon and that fixed my problem. So like, share, subscribe. Let me know if your Subaru actually needed this connector in order to remedy your misfire. All right, thanks for watching. Like, share, subscribe. This is the part number on this, and I will also put up a picture of, I'll actually include in the description what part number I used for this or what product name I used to buy